Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Quick info in case this video is a bit delayed. YouTube has some issues at the moment with uploading videos. Takes a while, takes some time with getting these all approved and processed. So I am uploading this video first actually on X. As I always say, when we have problems here on YouTube, then it can make sense to check our X profile, X channel. So this video will be uploaded first on X in case you watch it here and it's a bit delayed. It is what it is. We had this problem a few weeks ago and then people told me, oh, your videos were delayed. And I said, look, I posted in the community section. This will be watch it first on X. So check it out. Makes sense to follow us there. I post it all the time. A lot of people still don't follow us there. The links are in the description and in the comment section. You will stay up to date there in case we ever get problems here on YouTube. Technical issues happen all the time, so check it out. But yeah, at the moment, while I record this video at least, the chart is giving us that additional dip here into the support zone. I highlighted that possibility earlier today in the video that, well, it might be that the B wave bottomed, but you cannot really rule out another larger B wave pullback. That doesn't really change anything. It just means that the price has tried to break out and rally to 114K. And it could still do that, but it just needs likely another test, maybe test these previous lows here or this previous low from Wednesday before, basically giving it another go, and move towards that 114K level. It doesn't really fully look like a completed wave 2 corrective bounce. I would prefer at least here one more high to complete wave C of 2, which could then target the area around $114,000. Fibonacci support is currently here, still unchanged. Actually, I've left it unchanged. It's between $109,556 and $111,022. So very consistent with the previous updates. We're basically still holding support. But as I said to you before, current view is that we probably have not completed this overall correction. I currently don't see any evidence that we are on our way directly to all-time highs, while I still would like to see actually one more high in this cycle, because I haven't got any larger break of support. I haven't got any 5-wave decline or anything. This local correction, which started from the all-time high here on the 14th of August, this local correction looks unfinished. So to be very clear, I'm tracking here two pathways on this smaller time frame. It's either a 5-wave decline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave A. Then this could be a larger B wave bounce, which could even stretch all the way up to 118 to 120K. But that would be kind of an extended ABC structure. Let's first see if we can get this smaller ABC done. That's one scenario, and that's the white scenario in which the upper resistance area could easily be tested. In the other scenario, which is the orange count, we have an A wave to the downside and a B wave bounce. And we could be working on the C wave decline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this wave 2 should be still unfolding. So in the very short term, I would actually prefer a little higher, especially as long as we're holding above 109,556. But when we're tracking a corrective rally like that, please note these are just corrective rallies. We're dealing with a counter trend move. So the sellers will turn up all the time where they can, and basically send the price lower again. And so it might be a bit difficult for the price to climb. That's normal in corrective rallies. Remember, this is a counter trend move most likely, a move to correct, you could say, this decline. So the trend seems down locally, and then any move to the upside here will struggle, right? Corrective rallies are typically quite bumpy, okay? But yeah, as long as we are, finding support here in this zone, I'd still like to see a rally to around about 114K, maybe a little bit higher. We also have some additional resistance in this area around $114,370, and then this previous swing high there around $114,850. Basically now it seems like the price needs to test this micro support area again, waiting for evidence that wave C to the upside has started. Maybe we'll go a little bit lower now in wave C of B. Before then, the price makes another attempt of giving us a bounce. But yeah, basically, again, all eyes on this micro support zone again. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.